Hey, what's up, guys? We are back with the latest tech news. So, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is scheduled to launch on February 9 in an unpacked event where Samsung will showcase the S22 Trio along with their new Tab S8. But one of the most massive leak we have seen yet for is the Galaxy S22. A leaker on Twitter has managed to obtain press material for the upcoming handset that detail literally everything about the S22 handset, leaving nothing to imagination. The press material that has been leaked give us a detail that the upcoming Galaxy S22 series will be a massively improved in terms of its frame and display. Like we have a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection for the display, and all the S22 variant as well will be coming with a strong aluminum frame that has been mentioned in this leak. Also, we are going to see some huge improvement in the AI department, in which the S22 will be making a big difference in the quality of portrait photos, aka giving you a better bokeh effect. Also, Samsung shows how the S22 handset will use the high megapixel with the pixel binning to achieve a detailed bright photo. The zoom capability of the upcoming S22 series will remain the same as the S21 handset. Also, one of the biggest improvement that is coming is having a stylus inside the body of the S22 Ultra, and it's going to be having a big latency upgrade to just 2.8 millisecond both in the Tab S8 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. And here Samsung also says you will be notice a supernatural writing experience or drawing experience. Also, a bunch of new features are coming with the S Pen. It also mentioned that the download speeds has been doubled thanks to Wi-Fi 6E standards. It's worth mentioning that only the S22 Plus and the Ultra will support this technology, not the base model. Also, in the material, you will be noticing that Samsung says the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 on the S22 will increase 5% in CPU, 40% in graphics, and a massive 133% in NPU, which does all the AI stuff. So basically, this means that Samsung will be focusing on the AI more than its graphics and CPU performance. Thanks to this AI performance improvement, the handset will now be better to analyze the scene for more detailed and realistic videos. AI will also help in focusing fast-moving subjects, and it will help reduce the noise in photos and more. Also, the material mentioned that the upcoming handset will be optimized for better battery life. Interestingly, Samsung mentioned nothing about the Exynos 2200 yet, but we already know that it's going to be having a better processor in terms of performance. Interestingly, Samsung mentioned nothing about the Exynos 2200 in that promo material, but they did specifically mention which countries will be getting the processor. Now, what come after the Galaxy S22 series? Well, it's the Galaxy A series. We have some news regarding the A73 and A53. Both are rumored to come out in March of 2022, and Samsung will go back to back to have a big impact on the market. We actually have a pretty crucial news regarding the chipset situation of the upcoming Galaxy A53. Previously, we heard that Samsung will be using both the Exynos and Snapdragon chip for the A53 in different regions, but now it seems like Samsung might exclusively go to their in-house Exynos 1200 chip, and it's probably going to be an unannounced Exynos chip that should be able to do pretty much everything that you want to do in a mid-range phone without any issue. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Some big improvement is coming in the S22 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.